Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Bybit. So let's get started. Launch Open Bybit application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the main home page, go ahead and tap on the human icon located at the top left-hand corner. Now, go ahead and select the security option, which will then take you to this page, from where you'll need to select the change password option. Now, type in your old password in the first text box. The old password means the password that you are currently using for this account. After you type in your old password, make sure to type in the new password in the next field. Now, tap on confirm and then tap on get code on the next page. Tap on open to open up Google Authenticator and select the Bybit option. Paste in the code that you received and you have successfully changed your password in Bybit. It'll then redirect you to the main login page. Here you'll need to type in your newly created password to access your account. Tap on login and you'll be able to log into your Bybit account with your newly created password. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.